Yeah, where life is, you can't really be second guessing, no choice to be making. All you'll be thinking about, you'll be making mistakes. And you can't be thinking about making mistakes. Ain't no second guessing in my game. Ain't no second guessing.
I love you, Equinox.
It's my time, so there's no second guessing. Shoot my shot like I'm a Smith & Wesson. I do my son, nigga, he taught me a lesson. So I go to God with my problem, I confess them. Nigga, I've been through a lot in the trap though. That's why I have to make the trap with a bat though. Because the cops on these will be running, tryna take a nigga life. It's my time, so there's no second guessing. Nigga, I shoot my shot like I'm a Smith & Wesson. Nigga, I make mistakes, yes, I learn my lessons. Yeah, I came from a place where people don't care if you live or die. People smoke weed and crack just to get high, just to get by, just to feel alright. It's my time, so there's no second guessing. I know niggas that be guessing what my next move will be, but guess what? You will never know my next move, because I don't leave no clues. I transform like I'm Goku. I'm souped up, nigga, on you, so you don't wanna see me. I know you niggas wanna be me, because I grant wishes like a genie and create stunts like Houdini. Magic. Nigga, I came from the trap, so there's no second guessing. Yeah, nigga, I'ma shoot straight, nigga, aim with my gun, it's a Smith & Wesson. Yeah, nigga, I came from the trap, bro. And the trap gotta have a bat though. Gotta have a bat though.